Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a thriving crab tank. First, select a tank that provides ample space for your crabs to explore and burrow. Next, choose a substrate that retains moisture well and allows for deep digging. Finally, maintaining the correct temperature and humidity is crucial for your crab's health and well-being. Let's dive into the details. Once your basic setup is ready, focus on creating an enriching environment. Crabs love to climb, so add some safe structures. They also need access to both fresh and salt water for hydration and molting. Don't forget to provide plenty of hiding spots, as crabs are nocturnal and appreciate privacy. These elements contribute to a happy crab habitat.
If you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. On another note, imagine your crabs enjoying some calming ambient sounds. Bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. You can find the link for the Echo Dot and other fantastic deals in the description. Now, let's get back to the video.
Proper nutrition and hydration are vital for your crabs. Feed them a diverse diet to ensure they receive all necessary nutrients. Always have 2 separate water dishes, one with dechlorinated fresh water and another with marine-grade salt water. Remember to change the water daily and clean up any leftover food to maintain a healthy environment. Maintaining your crab tank is key to their long-term health. Daily spot cleaning helps keep the environment hygienic. Periodically, you'll need to refresh the substrate to prevent bacterial buildup. Consistent monitoring of temperature and humidity ensures your crabs are living in their ideal conditions. A well-maintained tank leads to happy, healthy crabs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.